Welcome to the DIVI Aruba Phoenix, located on the pristine white sands of Palm Beach.
Welcome, everyone.
Hey guys, welcome to the DIVI Aruba Phoenix. We are taking you through a 2-bedroom, 2-floor penthouse suite. We're going to start off here in bathroom number 1, which is right beside the front door. This one has a single vanity and a full shower. Entering the room here, you do have the full main kitchen. This kitchen does have absolutely everything you would need, including a stovetop, a microwave, a full-size fridge. You also get some of the other oddities like even salt and pepper. There is a dishwasher, you have a coffee maker, blender, and toaster. There is all the cutlery, plates, dishes, and also all of the glasses that you would need for your stay. The fridge does have an ice maker in it, and there is an ice bucket located on top of the fridge as well. The dining area does seat 6 people here. The living room on the main floor is very comfortable. Lots of seating there, full-size television. The couch does fold out as well into a sofa bed for extra guests.
And might I say, this is quite comfortable. I feel like I'm at home. Look at the view.
Going out to the balcony here, what a view this is. You can see the main pool here and all of the Caribbean Sea. The turquoise water was just absolutely amazing. Back into the room, you can see that over the living room on the main floor, it is open to above. Let's take a walk over to the bedroom here. We call bedroom number 1. This is one on the main floor, king size bed. There is a chest of drawers here with a television on top and also a full-size closet as well with an in-wall safe. Not the largest safe in the world, but it is adequate for what you would need. The room does have its own bathroom with a single vanity, a stand-up shower with a rainfall shower head, and also a massive jacuzzi tub that if you turn off the lights in the room, there is a button there that you can turn on red and blue and yellow lights in that tub for the evening. This suite does also have in-suite laundry. This machine is a washer and dryer. As we head up to the second floor here, we're going to go straight into the master bedroom. This also has a king-size bed. There is also a closet in here, a chest of drawers with a television on top as well. There's another room, in-room safe here, and the view from here was overlooking Aruba. What beautiful greenery it has. Here is the bathroom number 3 in this suite. This is the ensuite bathroom, a massive walk-in shower with another rainfall shower head. This room also has a dual vanity with a space there for, I guess, a makeup table with a magnifying mirror on top. And again, another massive jacuzzi tub with those same lights, and there is a waterfall on that as well. Adjacent to the bathroom, there is a huge walk-in closet. You can put all your stuff in there and your empty suitcases. The upstairs living room does have some seating there, another TV, and another pull-out couch. The furniture is all very comfortable and very clean. Right beside this living room, there is what we called the wet bar, and this is just some space with a sink that you can do some upstairs entertaining at. Now let's take a walk down the hallway here so we can show you the view from up above down into the main living room, and also what it looks like on the other side here. And let's head out onto the second floor balcony here, and we are overlooking the beautiful Caribbean Sea again. There is the main pool, which also has the pool bar and is connected to Pure Beach Restaurant, open breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
All right, so we're on our way to the pool bar, which looks pretty fantastic. Everybody has this wonderful vibe, great energy.
Sitting at the pool bar here at the DIVI Aruba Phoenix, having an amaretto sour, enjoying the beautiful weather. Service is very attentive here. Drinks are nice and cold. Just to let you know, here at the DIVI Aruba Phoenix, you can't pay cash for anything. It's either you're going to charge it to your room or you're going to bring your credit card down and they'll charge it up for you then. Okay, welcome to the manager's special party. Here happens on Monday nights. They gather up everybody here at the Villa Pool. They have vendors here selling anything from keychains to sweaters, everything like that. Free alcohol and drinks for everybody. And they're bringing out appetizers as well. And there's fun party games going on too. Let's go check it out. Okay, now that we're checking out and we're leaving the resort, I just want to add one more quick thing here. When you check into your room, they give you an option. They give you either a key card or they give you the option of buying a wristband. Now this wristband will open your door. It costs $3, which is not bad. You get to keep the wristband after you leave. $2 out of every wristband goes to a DIVI charity that they've set up to help support the people in need. We think that's absolutely amazing.
And it's so easy to just tap on your door.
And it's a great souvenir to take back home.
Exactly.
This was the whole room tour of 2 levels in this penthouse suite. Highly, highly recommend this absolute amazing hotel.